Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to recover my WhatsApp account without phone number and without email. So if you have opened your WhatsApp and go to your chats and have already created or set up your backup here connected to your email, then it would be easier for you to recover your WhatsApp account. However, if you haven't back up your WhatsApp and you don't have the active phone number, and you don't have the email anymore. So what you're going to do here is just basically open any web browser and then search for WhatsApp customer support or customer service. This is contact WhatsApp. Click this one. And then what you're going to do here is just enter the details such as your phone number if you have, or if you have your old phone number, you can add it right here. Tap on next step and then add the details that they have needed, your email address, confirm email address, how do you use WhatsApp, and then enter your message here. So basically, you can create your own message or you can follow this message that I'm going to type right now. So basically, you can ask or you can say, hello, WhatsApp support team, I need help. You can say that you want to recover your WhatsApp account and you haven't created any backup here. Your phone number is not working, or let's just say you have forgotten your email password or you cannot open your email, then you can add more information of where they can contact you and so on. So once done, then you can now submit this message or request and wait for their customer service team to message you through your email address and just follow their instructions. So just follow their instruction to recover your WhatsApp without phone number and without email. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.